Hello everybody, I'm going to try to do a little video here showing Google Meet. I'm not a pro at it, but I've been playing around with it and thought I would share what I've come up with. Now hopefully this works. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to make this video to demonstrate how to use Google Meet. Anyway, we'll see if it works. So first off, make sure you're logged into Google Chrome with your Google account, school account. You can go to your apps here and select Meet, or you can type in meet.google.com. Okay, we're going to join or start a meeting. Just click on this. We can give it a name, training. And from here, it senses whether you've got a camera working and your audio. You can see here the bar is going, right? It shows that my audio is working. I think there's some options in here. You can go to your settings, and from here you can set up your video and your audio if you have multiple devices. Okay. So one thing that I think a lot of people aren't aware of is that you can present using Google Meet. So you can present whatever's on your screen, right? Slideshows, a video you have, stuff like that. Now, if you want to just present, fine, you can click on this and you'll automatically present your screen. But if you also want to record, I think you first have to join the group or join the Meet. Okay, so I've joined the Meet. There's only me in it. If I want to add others, I can copy this information or I can type in here and we can search for people. Maybe I'll add, Jane Diener. Let's invite her, see if she joins. Okay, send invites. All right, and up here is a place where you can say, hey, who's all part of this thing here? You can also have a chat, right? So you type your message there. Hello, just testing things out and making a little demo. Hey, Jane joined in. Hi, Jane. Great. I'm doing a Screencast-O-Matic on how to use Google Meet. So I'm going to try to present to you. Is that okay? Awesome. So to present, I'm going to go here to present now, and I'm going to choose a window, or you can choose your entire screen. So I'm going to call it, yeah, it has to be Jane. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. And it's loading. All right, so I'm presenting, and hopefully Jane is able to see this window here. Can you see me typing? Okay, and if I click here as well, you should be able to see that it's got me. Can you see me as well, Jane? Okay, so it probably shows me as a little small window and then also the screen that I'm sharing. Awesome. Okay, and then if I wanted to record, you can just click on the bottom right here and also go to record meeting. And I have to ask for consent. Sure, we'll say accept. And it's loading here. And once that goes, I am now recording. So this is going to be infamous. We'll see. Jane, say something profound. Oh, what are you doing? You are trying to stick a mouse on your head. This video just got so much more interesting. I'm so glad I invited. Okay, anyway, so once we're done, I can stop presenting at any time, and we can go back to here. And maybe I don't want to see Jane anymore. I think I can click on myself. Sorry, Jane. Okay. Anyway, and then I can also stop recording. You have to click on the main screen, go back to this menu, and hit stop recording. Okay, it'll be saved in Google Drive, so just hit stop recording. Awesome. So what will happen now is you'll get an email that says, hey, this has been saved. If we go to Google Drive as well, it takes a little while, so give it, I don't know, I can't remember how long it took me, but about half an hour maybe. But it should make in your drive Meet recordings. And yeah, it's not there yet, but give it some time and that video should show up there. Okay, and then yeah, you can turn the present on or off. You can control your camera, so you don't want people to see you, just the audio. Is Jane gone? Are you still there, Jane? Oh yeah, Jane's hidden herself too. Oh, did it turn you off too? Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, and then you can also control the microphone there, And I don't know what else you want to know. Captions, you can do captions. Anyway, I think this will be a very useful tool to engage our students. All right, hope that helped. If you have any questions, ask somebody else. Okay, take care. Bye. Okay, hopefully that made sense. I'm going to stop now the screencast thematic. This is confusing.